Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I want to show an entry to my spinner giveaway. I am giving away a Heidi Swapp Memorydex Spinner, and this entry is from Rebecca Yarlin, and look at her handwriting. Doesn't she have the nicest handwriting? I like how she does her script. Anyways, yeah, so let me go ahead and open it up. You basically just have to send me a Memorydex, and let's go ahead, and I know I have a letter opener somewhere but I can't remember right now, so I am just going to use my thumb here. And so I hope that everyone is doing well. I've been busy. Okay. And look at this envelope that she has. Isn't that pretty? That is so pretty. And over here, she has a matching Memorydex. Look at this. Isn't this the cutest thing? There is beauty in simplicity. You betcha. Look at that. We'll go ahead and put it back in here. And this is, I would think, another Memorydex. Oh my gosh, it's sealed. Oh my gosh. Okay, because it's sealed, I'm not going to open it. This is going to go into, I'm thinking it's a Memorydex because it's the same size. Okay, so I'm thinking that this one is for the winner, okay, because I do want to, I asked for 2 Memorydex cards, one for me and the other for the winner, so the winner can have, you know, it'll be like Christmas to them. Not only are they getting a spinner, but they're getting a Memorydex and meeting some new crafty friends, or perhaps touching base with old crafty friends. And so, yeah, thank you so very much, Rebecca, and I'll go ahead and add your name to the list of participants. You have until, guys, if you have not entered my giveaway yet, you have until, let's see, February 29th to get your entry in my hands. And this is all that I'm asking for: 2 Memorydex cards, one for me, one for the recipient, and I will link you to my blog post where I have all the rules and everything about the Memorydex Spinner giveaway. And not only am I giving that away, but I am also giving other things, other items that I am finding here and there, because I am going through this massive spring cleaning of my craft area, and there are a few dies and stamps and things that I am going to go ahead and add it to the spinner. So yeah, and y'all know where I get my dies from, so, or where I used to get my dies from. So yeah, it'll be really neat to see everything that is included in the package, in the giveaway package. So yeah, thank you so very much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye now.